Today I want to tell you about my latest Walmart clearance deals in the hopes that you can find some of these great deals too. Just like with the majority of my videos, this video is about saving money and filling your pantry. This time I have everything from soup to nuts. All of these items were found on the regular food aisles, not on some junky clearance rack full of dinner cans and beat-up old boxes. Now, keep in mind that all Walmarts are not created equal. Some will have these deals, some will not, and prices may vary from store to store. Also, it helps to go to several different stores to get the best deals. The first deal I have here is Progresso's Beef Barley Vegetable Soup. The regular price was $1.58. I paid just 40 cents per can. Now, here's a good way to see if stores near you have this soup on sale. Download the Walmart app onto your cell phone. Select the store you would be shopping at. Then in the search box, enter the term canned soup or Progresso soup and see what comes up in the list. Clearance items are usually marked on that list. Just scroll down the list until you find them. They have a lot of soups on clearance. This is just one of the deals that I like the best. Now, here's a tip for you. If no location is listed for the item, then chances are that that deal no longer exists. This app isn't always 100% correct, and sometimes that can be very frustrating, but when it's right, you can sure find some awesome deals. When you find the item in the store, be sure to scan the barcode to make sure that the price is what you expect it to be. Sometimes the wrong item will be sitting in front of the wrong price tag. Now, you don't have to have a phone to find these deals. You could just go to the store and look up and down the aisles for clearance tags. Then you could use the Walmart price checkers. Some stores use a solid yellow tag for clearance items, and some just use regular tags, which makes it difficult to spot the deals. Some stores don't bother to mark the clearance items at all. So it helps to know what the deals are in advance. When you scan an item, you might come up with a lower price than you see on the shelf. Now, that is what is called a hidden clearance. Nearly always, that lower price is what will ring up on the register. If not, then ask a cashier to adjust the price for you. She'll scan it with her phone, and if it comes up with the lower price, then she'll happily adjust it for you. So that is basically how you can find the deals at Walmart. Now, here are the other items that I found. Progresso's Roasted Chicken and Vegetable Soup, regular $1.58. I paid 40 cents. Campbell's Well Yes Black Bean and Vegetable Soup, regularly $1.98, was 65 cents. Hormel's 5-ounce cans of chicken, regular price $1.34. I paid 75 cents. If you wanted to, you could always add a can of this chicken to that soup and a few other items and make yourself something like chicken chow mein. So the soup could be a very versatile thing to have on hand. I also bought 10-ounce cans of Hormel chicken, regular price $2.48. I paid 80 cents for those. I bought cans of Patterson's barbecue pork, regular price $2.92. I paid 75 cents per can. Someone gave this barbecue a terrible review, so I opened a can and it's not the best I ever had, but the taste can be adjusted by adding some ketchup and some apple cider vinegar. It's certainly not like fresh cooked barbecue, but it's surely worth 75 cents. Another thing that is on clearance are number 10 cans of corn. Regular price $3.98. We paid $1.50. They also had number 10 cans of green beans, potatoes, and carrots for $2.50. Some folks on Facebook have been finding these cans for as little as $1. So shop around for the best price. We're donating these to a soup kitchen, but you could actually open up one of these cans, use whatever you need, and then freeze the rest. You can also, also dehydrate canned corn, so there's an idea for you. You might find a few deals in the freezer section. We found Pillsbury's toaster scrambles, regular price $4.74 for just $2.40. We also found Pillsbury's toaster strudel, the cream cheese and strawberry flavor, regular price $1.87 for 85 cents per box. Pillsbury items seem to go on clearance a lot. A few weeks ago, Walmart had a clearance on Pillsbury's canned biscuits, cinnamon rolls, cookie dough, crescent rolls, things like that. And that may or may not have occurred in your area yet. So keep an eye on your canned biscuit section. It was a killer deal. The biscuits were 25 cents, cinnamon rolls were 75 cents, cookie dough was 50 cents, and so on, to give you an idea of what a great deal it was. There are also great deals on the baking aisle. Lots of chocolate chips have been marked down, but be sure to check their best by date. The chips are the only items that I saw that were near or even past their best by date. I bought Reese's mini bacon cups and Reese's Pieces candy, regular price $1.80. I paid 55 cents per bag. Bailey's bacon chips. These are chocolate chips flavored like Bailey's Irish Cream. Regular price $2.98. I paid 75 cents for these. Also on the baking aisle, there are awesome deals on nuts. I bought 1 pound bags of pecan halves, regular price $10.62. I paid $2.65. Pecans freeze very well, by the way. Another store had 1 pound bags of chopped pecans, regularly $10.62 for $3.20. I also bought 1 pound bags of walnut halves and pieces, regular price $6.72. I paid $2. They also had a lot of other nuts on clearance. These are just the deals that I like the best. I bought bacon cranberries, regular price $2.48 for 60 cents. A few weeks ago, they had a lot of coffee on clearance, and I think most of those deals are gone by now, but I did come across a few excellent deals on coffee. SF Bay coffee K-Cups, regular price $12.94. I paid 50 cents. They had 2 pound bags of SF Bay coffee beans, regular price $11.15 for 50 cents. And 10.5 ounce bags of Pete's coffee, regular price $9.24, were also 50 cents per bag. So as you can see, you can really save big if you go out there and look for these Walmart clearance deals. They also had a great deal on dog food. Alpo prime cups with chicken, regular price 78 cents. I paid 30 cents per can. A lot of stores had tons of this at the ends of the aisles or in the middle of the store near the pet food section. We don't have a dog, but we have 3 cats that don't know the difference between dog food and cat food. They actually like this dog food. Another great deal that we got a couple of weeks ago, which may or may not be out there, was a clearance deal on mulch. We bought this brown mulch, regular price $2.22. We paid 65 cents per bag. And they had the red mulch for 55 cents per bag. This is worth looking into. Folks on Facebook are still running across this deal, so you might get lucky and find it as well. You know, round 2 of coronavirus shutdowns may be just around the corner. So this is a great way to fill your pantries for very little. Also be sure to check out the toy department. There are huge clearance deals there right now. And you know, it's never too early to Christmas shop. So I hope you find some great deals out there, and I hope it helps.